So you must learn everything gradually. So here you see one of the important aspect you should know this. The next one is loudly. Loudly. And why do you speak loudly? I can understand your words. Why do you speak loudly? I can understand your words. So, don't whisper the secret. You have to reveal the secret now. You have to reveal the secret now. Don't whisper the secret. Don't whisper this secret. So, I came from Khammam. నేను ఖమ్మం నుంచి వచ్చాను. I came from Khammam. You are coming from Delhi. Cheetah is coming from thick forest. Cheetah is coming from thick forest. So like that, I am going to market to buy vegetables. I am going to market to buy vegetables. He is going to Hyderabad to attend the meeting. She is making toys to sell in the market. So, scared means భయపడను. Don't be scared. Be bold. Don't be scared. Be bold. Are you a scared person? Don't worry. I am with you. Be bold, ready to face. And we can do adventures. So, a little. There is a little water in the pot. There is a little amount of water in the pot. There is a little amount of water in the pot. You have to do a lot of work for this. You have to do a lot of work for this. So, awkwardly, ఇబ్బందికరంగా. His words are awkwardly, which are unbearable to me. His words were always awkwardly, which I am unbearable to listen these awkward words. And at the same time, we must maintain coordination among ourselves. We must maintain coordination among ourselves. Through that we can fulfill our business and we can make it success. This is the clear state, you should know that. And now, close means దగ్గరగా కావచ్చు, మూసివేయటం కాదు. He closed the shop at 9 p.m. yesterday. He closed the shop at 9 p.m. yesterday. So, don't close your account. Don't close your account. So like that, he opened supermarket. He opens supermarket. He opens any shop, any project, like that. Believe means namuta. I believe your words. I believe your words. I can't believe your words. If you are right, I can believe your words. If your working style is nice, I can follow you. So, these are unbelievable words. These are unbelievable words. These are unbelievable actions. These are unbelievable actions. So like that we can say, and at the same time here you see often. Often means తరచుగా. I often meet my friends. I often meet my friends. I often meet my friends. I rarely meet my friends. I seldom meet my friends. I seldom meet my friends. So now we are going to like Islam. I like English very much. I like English language very much. So I like these fruits very much. I dislike this kind of behavior. I dislike this kind of behavior. His ideology is unlike to me. His ideology is unlike to me. So, recognize means kurtinchuta. I recognize your actions. I recognize your ideology. I recognize your words. I recognize your nature. So, don't follow false method, then no one will recognize you. Then no one will recognize you. So this is unrecognized area. This is an unrecognized area. This is an unrecognized area where we haven't gone there. We haven't gone there. So anybody, ఎవరైనా, if anybody interested, follow this method. If anybody interested, follow this method. Anybody here to dance with me? Anybody here to follow me? Anybody here to fight against the orthodox area? Anybody against the superstitions? So like that. Nobody is here to follow me. Nobody is here to follow me. Nobody is here to follow the superstitions. Nobody is orthodox people here. Nobody is orthodox people here. So, sharp, padunaina. This blade is sharp. Your ideology is sharp. Your ideology is sharp. So, you take blunt decisions. You must take blunt decisions. Then no one leave you. You must take blunt decisions. No one leave you. Those decisions must be helpful to the society. I sent a telegram. I sent a telegram అంటే పంపించను. I sent a telegram. Olden days our parents and grandparents sent their views through the telegram. So my mother received a telegram from her grandparents. My mother received a telegram from her grandparents. So everything, prati okkati, everything is nice. Everything is nice. Everyone follow this. Everyone follow. Everything is followed by us. Everything is followed by us. So because the things are always fruitful to us, that's why we followed everything. Nothing is impossible. Yes, when we were in the old Stone Age, we were living in caves and also the holes of the trees, and also we are roaming across the forest for the sake of food and by hunting the animals. Now we are living in our room and know the world. We understand how we developed, how the scientific knowledge is empowered across the world. Is it right or not? So that's why nothing is impossible. We explored, we invented, we discovered innumerable things across the world. So that's why, fine. I am fine, thank you. If anybody asks us, how are you? What do we say? I am fine, thank you. నేను మంచిగా ఉన్నాను. Oh, sorry, I am unwell today. I am unwell today because I am suffering from headache. I am suffering from fever. So like that, we can say innumerable words in this word. So poor means they are poor people. They are poor people. They are under below poverty line. India is rich, but Indians are poor. Why? Because we have innumerable natural resources in our country. Is it right or not? Innumerable resources in our country. We don't know how to use them. That's why from the European countries, they came to our country and they had taken innumerable deposits, natural resources of our country to their countries. Is it right or not? It's absolutely right. And rich. He is rich. Who is rich? Someone is rich. Some people are rich. Is it right or not? India is a rich country. India is a rich country because it consists of innumerable natural resources. I feel very unhappy. I feel very unhappy, which is unbearable to me. Do you feel happy now? Do you feel happy now? So like that, we can say the sentence. I met him in the last week. I met him in the last week. So, first you must follow the rules and regulations. First, you must follow the rules and regulations to move yourself in an appropriate way. After means tarvata. I came to home after the school hours. I came to home after the school hours. I came to home after the school hours. So, before going to attend the meeting, you must know the agenda of the meeting. Before going to attend the meeting, you must know agenda of the meeting. So now the next, mumbling. Don't mumbling. It is not good. We want to listen what you are speaking, what you are talking. Your speech is nice, okay. If you are mumbling, we can't listen your words. That won't reach us. That words won't reach us. Do you understand? So don't be mumbling. Speak loudly. You are giving speech now. So, come ante vachuta. I come to the point now. I come to the point now. We had already made innumerable mistakes. We have to overcome them and we have to solve all these things. So, go away. You need not to stay here. You are not good at your studies. You are not good at your studies. Go away. We don't want to follow you. This is our view which you have to follow. He had forgotten his mistakes. He had forgotten his mistakes. And I remembered him well. I remembered him well. And I remembered who were struggling for independence. I remembered the important personalities who were struggling for independence. This bed is terrible bed. This bed is terrible bed. We don't want to use this bed. If you lay down on this bed, it will suffocate you, no doubt about it. So, don't lay down in this terrible bed. And he got a brilliant idea. He got a brilliant idea to overcome this. So, I can escape from this danger slightly. It's a negligible thing. It's a negligible thing which we don't want to follow this. And don't get upset. Upset ante ibbandiki lonavatam. Don't get upset. We are here to help you. We are here to help you. Don't get upset. You have to change your attitude and be calm. Take it easy. Take it easy. Then you can do miracles. If you think about this always, you can't move yourself. You can't reach your target. You can't reach your goal. And you have to walk over this. You have to walk over this. That's why these things are well known to me. These things are well known to me. This ideology is well known to me. The people are well known to me. They are famous personalities. Those people are well known to all these people. The celebrities are well known personalities. This mistake is unknown to me. This mistake is unknown to me. And now, nothing is impossible, which I had already told you. Nothing is impossible. If you want to do anything, you can do. There is a drastic changes in the society. Don't leave anything. Do it well, through that you can do miracles. And anything is possible. Nothing is impossible. Anything is possible if you are in a right path. So, don't go near anybody. Why? Because it is a pandemic situation. Because it is a pandemic situation, you have to overcome this. So, you must maintain distance 6 feet away from anybody. Don't go near. And Himalayas are very far from here. Himalayas are very far from here. Is it right or not? Godavari river is also very far from Palonsa. Godavari river is far from Palonsa, no doubt about it. And also at the same time, it is very exasperatedly to me. Unbearable to me. He is feeling happily. He is feeling happily. He has a Kesar Yogam. He is a prosperous person. Don't get into poverty. Don't get into poverty. Change your attitude. And these things are expensive. These things are expensive, and don't buy cheap things which won't helpful to you. My salary is raised. My salary is raised. You cut down your expenditure. You cut down your expenditure. Don't feel irritation. Delight yourself. You can do miracles, no doubt about it. So this is about the first lesson, opposite words, and regarding every aspect of this lesson. Okay, have a good day, my dear children. Tomorrow we shall continue the class.